Hello and welcome. Today I'd like to offer a different way to look at DevOps, one that is often overlooked. Instead of viewing DevOps only as a technical topic, let's look at it from a business perspective. This is message especially relevant for business leaders, C-level executives, and decision makers who want to understand how DevOps affect company performance, growth, and resilience. Before we proceed, if you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps grow our community and signals to YouTube that this channel provides valuable information. I very appreciate your help in sharing knowledge. So, we live in a global, fast-moving market where traditional business models are being replaced by more adaptive, technology-driven approaches. The pace of innovation, customer expectations, and competitive pressure have all increased dramatically. You're not just competing with local players. You're facing global companies that enter markets quickly with flexible, digital-first strategies. In this environment, long delivery cycles and large isolated teams are no longer sustainable. Success now depends on your ability to deliver a value fast, in small, controlled increments. That value often comes in the form of digital services. At the core of this, the acceleration is software. Regardless of industry, finance, retail, healthcare, or government, your organization is more or less a software company. Banks are building secure mobile applications. Retailers are using personalized recommendations and fast checkout flows. Governments are digitalizing services to reduce friction for citizens. Behind all of these efforts is a technical foundation that must support frequent changes, higher reliability, and fast feedback. DevOps is a key enabler of this transformation. It connects development and operations into a unified workflow, allowing organizations to deliver software quickly, reliably, and safely. And this is not just a technical advantage, it's a business accelerator. According to industry studies, high-performing DevOps organizations deliver code 46 times more frequently, deploy changes 400 times faster, and recover from failures 170 times more quickly than low-performing organizations. These outcomes lead to better product delivery, higher customer satisfaction, and improved financial results. DevOps helps reduce downtime and delays. It brings predictability into your technology roadmap. It minimizes risk by allowing smaller, more frequent changes that are easier to test, review, and roll back. With the right practice in place, like automated testing, infrastructure as code, CI/CD pipelines, and centralized monitoring, you reduce manual errors and improve time to value parameter. This translates into real business results: fewer outages, faster fixes, and more time for your teams to focus on innovation instead of firefighting. From a leadership perspective, DevOps should not be viewed as an isolated engineering initiative. It's a strategic investment in your company's agility and resilience. As a business leader, you might not need to know every tool or scripts, but you should know how your teams deliver value, how fast they can respond to incidents, and how confident they are in releasing changes. These are business critical questions, and DevOps helps answer them with measurable results. You can also build a financial case around DevOps. Please ask yourself, what is the cost of a deployment delay? How many hours are wasted on manual approvals or broken environments? What's the cost of downtime per hour for your most critical systems? Once you quantify these pain points, it becomes clear how to automation, standardization, and visibility drive efficiency, and how investments in DevOps directly contribute to the bottom line. One more point, DevOps is not a one-time project. It's a long-term culture and technical shift. The tools will evolve, but the whole remains the same: to deliver better outcomes faster, with less risk and more flexible. Business and technical leadership must evolve together. Organizations that recognize this not only stay ahead in technology, but also in market position. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a new perspectives on DevOps and its role in modern business success. See you next time.